So I got myself some buffalo wings, or Buffalo Wild Wings today. Sorry. Got myself, of course, I had to get myself a not a Baja, Mountain Dew Legend, because it's pretty good. So, did you give me a straw? Hope they did. So I got French fries. I didn't just get French fries, but first thing I just popped out was French fries. Yep, straw. So hold on, let me get some light. So let's do the review of the Mountain Dew Legend here. This has like a lot of pitch black taste to it. I love this. It tastes like a lot like pitch black. It's actually tastes a lot like pitch black to me. Also has like more of a voltage flavor though. It's got like a pitch black / voltage flavor. It's pretty good. Pitch black's coming next year. Let's hope. Love pitch black. It's my favorite flavor of Mountain Dew ever. Napkins, whole bunch of napkins. Oh, they gave me 2 things of forks. Cool. Wet wipes. Honey mustard, that's for my dipping. For my chicken. So I had to do the bird dogs, because that's what I had to do. So I haven't tried those. Somebody said that the bird dogs are really good. Actually, one of the Buffalo Wild Wings employees said they're actually really good, so. Wow. Got some napkins right here, so. It's bird dogs, and I'm not going to do the review. Actually, I will do a review of one of the wings. I was going to save those for tonight. Actually, you know what? I'll do the review of the bird dogs, and later on tonight, I'll do the review of the wings. So these are supposed to be like hot dogs almost, but chicken. It's got like chicken, onions, pepper, or chives. Seems to be they put some honey mustard on it too. It's got some like, it's called pub cheese or something, bar cheese or something, bar pub cheese or whatever. I think it's like almost like cheddar cheese. Wow, this thing's messy. Wow, that's really good. Show you up close view of it. They also got like a buffalo wing, and they got like an original one or something. But this is pretty good. I wish they sold the Mountain Dew Legend in like a bottle or a can. It'd be better because I could collect it. But I also wish they had like stickers and stuff for it too. It'd be cool too. Anyway, I'll show you what it looks like. I just wanted to get the honey mustard for like other things, like if I eat like chicken wings or something, or like those. But I didn't really get that for this. But look at this. Looks really good. It's got like grilled onions, chives. It's got like that beer cheese or whatever they call it. Honey mustard. It looks like they put some honey mustard on there. The chicken. The bun. So. Looks really good. These are called bird dogs. And this video won't be posted until like Wednesday because I'm off YouTube today. Today my father and my stepmother said that we're gonna go to Plattsburgh today. I was gonna go Friday, but they have plans on Friday, so unfortunately I can't go to Plattsburgh Friday, but I did go today, so I wanted to go to Buffalo Wild Wings today just in case, because they said they might be busy on Friday, so they can't bring me, but they can pick me up from work and stuff, but they said they might be busy. They can't, like go to Plattsburgh, so we went to Plattsburgh today to get stuff. I got a whole bunch of stuff to review that I got today from various stores. Went to Walmart. Went to a gas station called Wiggletown Walmart. I went to Dollar Tree. I went to Ollie's Bargain Outlet. We went to VP Oil where I got a hat, and that's where we went. Anyway, pretty good. These are pretty good. So 5 out of 5. So peace.